In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the Facebook chat widget on your website using Elfsight. 1. Head over to Elfsight and select the Facebook chat widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that fits your website's style and layout. Click Continue with this template. Connect to Facebook by clicking on the Connect to Facebook button on the Content tab. Follow the prompts to select the pages you want to use for chat. Adjust the layout, size, colors, and fonts of your widget on the Settings tab to match your website's branding. Once satisfied, click Join to install to add the widget to your website. Sign up or log in to Elfsight apps. It's free. And after signing up, save your widget within your Elfsight apps platform. After that, you will be provided with a code, HTML code. Copy it and head to your WordPress and add an HTML block. Paste the code there and then click Update to see your Facebook chat widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.